How to schedule reels on Instagram? Follow this guide. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, click on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Now make sure you are on the Reel tab. Then either choose a video from your gallery or record a new one. After that, hit next to move forward. Before scheduling, make sure you are using a professional account. After that, scroll down the menu and tap on the More option. Here, look at the sharing preferences section and enable schedule this reel. After that, set the date and time you want your reel to be published. Finally, hit done. Then go back. Finally, hit schedule at the bottom. Now your reel will be published in the scheduled time, and that's all. This is how to schedule reel on Instagram.